Good morning, everyone, especially to the handsome and beautiful judges, and and proudly saying that to the most beautiful teacher, Ma'am Evelyn.
Kuwan nga ni Mang Pendi. Nga ni Mang Pendi.
I hope you enjoy this movie. I'd like you to know the characters of this movie. I am Mercy as Ella. I'm Jemima as I'm Gian as Shala. I'm Luis as Ashley. I'm Raylin as Freya. I'm Marian as David.
Bakit?
I'm Jane as JJ.
I'm Sherman as
Section. Among
I am Edward as Felix.
Pilipan yata po.
And Wayne as Michael. I am Brian as Kiki. And Lucy as Kiko. And Tito as Alex.
We are the group 1 from 9 Pontag Benlang. And we will present to you the movie of Section E episode 4. Start. Hello, great. Since we're already here, how about a lesson? How about some school orientation? This is HBIS pyramid. We enrolled in school, that's why crossing us is a big mistake. The first thing you should know is Section E is the royalty section. And Section B, they are good, but cross them, you're dead. Section C, they are known for their kindness, but treat them like a bitch, they'll give you hell. Section D, they are idolized. Section but they have their own directions in life. And also, they are our slaves. Even what we're saying, they'll do. And of course, last but definitely the least, Section E, that huge dirt of HBIS. I mean, no one cares about you. Even the school board, useless, worthless trash, that's where you belong. You're too noisy. Are you done? You talk too much. You even stood up there when you can just say it here. Oh wow. Oh. You know what? Such a waste of time. How about you kneel before me, say sorry, and give me a reference? What are you waiting for? Kneel now. In your dreams, why did I kneel when it's you who started bad-mouthing me? Huh? Ah, why don't you tell everyone here that it's you are staying in the restroom? What is it up again? Ah, a pop, Ella, right? Stop lying, you freak! It wasn't me, Ari. but she was not. Yeah, punish her.
Na-video pa di ay. Sino ginabasa? Ni Mariel Canitlay.
Thank you for watching everyone. Topics and features. I hope you enjoyed watching.
Hey!